Good morning, guys. So, lots of papers to check today. But first, brunch. And we have a special guest in the faculty room, the MVP of UST. And then, lunchtime, free from the college. I think these are from one of the activities. After that, checking again, lots of papers and studying. And then, milk tea time.
Sarap yun.
Milk tea. Our typical milk tea break walk. Ayun. So during break, it's also nice to chill and taste some milk tea. So ang go-to milk tea shop namin along Lapitan Street is Macau. Macau going to Pinuval, and then paglabas mismo ng another tea shop, milk tea shop, ano ba to? Royalty, and going to V Conception naman yung Taste from the Greens. So, ayan. So ako muna, in terms of taste of the milk tea, parang pareho, almost pareho yung yung Macau at saka yung Royalty. Almost pareho yung packaging, di ba? Medyo sa plastic. Sa tamis kasi pwede nyo na Ngayon, para sa akin yung taste from the greens, okay lang lasa niya. May mga flavors na masarap naman. Pero ang taste from the greens, definitely much cheaper na. Much cheaper than the other two. Okay, so let's ask Sir Ethan naman. Sir Ethan. ano sa tatlong milk tea na parati natin na natitikman, ano yung mo, favorite?
Personally, yung taste from the green.
Bakit?
Kasi cheaper.
Cheaper. How about the taste?
Tsaka, taste
From the
good
greens.
eh. Oo. Tapos, kasi meron na din parang malapit na store.
Saan?
Sa bahay.
So familiarity, kaya bias.
Sanay na rin.
Kaya bias, sir. Oo.
Ayun.
Pero kung ibigay to rank the three, anong pinaka-favorite mo? Not considering the price. Let's say, wag mo natin in terms of taste lang. Macau talaga. Macau?
Ay, hindi. Ito pala. Kasi yung variety rin ng
Marami din.
flavor.
So, ayan talaga recommended mo. Kasi mura na, masarap din naman.
Marami rin yung iba-ibang flavor. Choose. Macau tea, lang.
Konti
Hindi ba
lang.
tayo, nito? Pagalitan naman.
Hindi, lang naman to eh. Critic at saka opinion ng customer na avid customer.
Ako naman tatanong sa'yo.
Ay, grabe. Ay, ang init. Yun lang, mainit.
So, among the three, sir, which one is your favorite?
Macau.
Okay.
Then taste from the greens, then this one, third option. Kahit malapit lang siya. So Macau, yung kasi very rich talaga.
Okay.
One time kahit haluan ko na, dinadilute ko ng tubig, lasang-lasa pa rin. So Macau talaga ako. Although medyo mahal lang siya. At saka yung, I don't like the kasi masyadong makapal yung mga plastics na ginagamit namin. I guess kasama na rin yung sa branding nila na maganda yung Pero hopefully will accept yung magdala ka, bring your own. Bring your own para eco-friendly naman. And hopefully if you can get discount pag bring your own container or So Macau, followed by Taste from the Greens. And then Royalty, yung Royalty pangatlo lang, parang pag walang option.
Ano yung lagi mo in-order sa Macau?
Milk tea, the basics. Basics, milk tea. Sa Macau, and then other thing, minsan nag-i-adventure I try the others. Yung mga asam-asam na yan. But it's, just stick to the original flavor with milk tea or sometimes winter melon. Meron din pala simple line.
Oo. Hindi pwedeng dagdagan, tatlo lang.
That's another option as well. I think that's the original, yung pinakauna, yung simple line. You should try that as well.
Okay.
Masarap din siya. Pero, yun lang, nasanay na ako sa Macau. So one good reason why we do milk tea break, walking, even it's too hot, it's a way for us to relax and break from the daily routine of checking papers, of preparing lessons, preparing the courses, and just the whole day of sitting and studying in the faculty room. So it's always good to have a break, walking break, to stay active. Kahit walking lang, it will help a lot in terms of our body, physical health, and of course mental health din. So importante sa brain yung movement, every sabi nga nila, every drop of sweat is good for the brain. So yun. And I usually practice this even when I was in Germany or in Ireland or any other parts of Europe. I always find time to have a break, to walk, maybe going to the office or going back and have lunch somewhere far away that I will have to walk away from that or towards that cafeteria or restaurant, sometimes 1 kilometer. So just to complete my 12 to 15 kilometers daily walk. So it's always good to walk for the break. Si day today, gawa-gawa lang ng grades, hindi pa tapos. Marami pa. But we're going home now because again, one of our prof-in-law shifted to online. So, rush na rush tayo. We're going to Russia. So, ayan. I think makakaabot naman pa uwi. After a tiring commute, I was able to catch up with our 6 p.m. low class. Here's setup for today. Ayan siya, napakadami. It was a tiring day today, and I still need to prepare for tomorrow's court hearing. That's it for today. Choose.